Hi everyone, welcome back. We've got another video, first one on the Insignia to be fair. So yeah, we've got the Insignia, looking at going to take the driver's side drive shaft out. So to get it jacked up, because of obviously it's the SRI VX line model, we're going to remove the front bumper. It's already off. I basically need to just obviously pull it off and stuff like that, which I can show you. And then I'm going to jack it up off the front subframe, look at obviously taking the driver's side wheel off and then getting to it. So back with you guys in a second. Right, so first things first, it's already unclipped. All of the wheel arches to the front are already off. This was done by the previous owners. However, if we pop the bonnet, there's normally loads of torques. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You've got wheel arch, and then you've also got bolts underneath that I should be able to show you obviously later on. So first thing we're going to do is unhook the side panels. So that one's already off. Again, let's get a bit of a grip on it, and then what we can do is lift this section of the bumper up, and with a bit of a tug it all comes off. So there's a bolt that's still on the subframe that goes through these sections just here to hold it in place as well, but other than that it's just the wheel arches and then the top, and then unclips. So now the front bumper's off, going to use the subframe as my jacking point. So slide the jack under. Slowly lift it up. The front wheels are off, I can straighten the steering. Key in hand, take the steering lock off. With them being front wheels and not being held on by the handbrake or anything like that, what I'm going to do is slightly release them back down, and I'm going to crack off the wheel nuts. 22mm sockets. Now that that's off, well, now that they're loose, take the wheels off of the floor. So now the wheel's off and out of the way, to get the drive shaft out, I'm going to remove this 32mm bolt just here, 32mm socket. To help obviously get the drive shaft out, there's multiple ways that you can do it. You can either remove the lower arm, take the strut off. We're just going to take the strut off, so I've gone ahead and obviously loosened these. They can obviously be a bit tight. I've got just a pry bar to try and just work the brake cable off just there. Again, separate it. So you've got 18mm socket for this side for the nut, and then I've got an 18mm ratchet spanner on this side. now what we can look at doing is just tapping the drive shaft through slightly, using the nut, so obviously not mushroom the end of the actual drive shaft, knocking that through like that.
Feel like we're falling away. Maybe I just need to feel nothing to make it easier to turn away and leave. Maybe we're fanning the flame, so why do I keep holding out my hand to get burned? I don't wanna clash anymore. I can't hear the ghosts in the walls. It's telling me to run away, yeah. I don't wanna crash anymore. I can't hear the ghosts in the walls. It's telling me to run away. Breaking apart, seeing the end. We have nothing to say. Maybe it's hard to understand that there's nothing left to fight for, and there's nothing left to say.